Well, looky here. We have another unboxing. This, a much higher end shoe than the others. This is a Paolo Scafora, and this completes my collection strategy for Paolo Scafora, which is to have 3 shoes. And I now have a wingtip Oxford in suede. I have the split toe, and with this, I have an Adelaide. So definitely something I've been looking at for a while, and something I want to make sure is right. As always, Paolo Scafora's shoe bags, next level. And as we go, of course, there. And here we are. Look at that. Norwegian welt. Machine stitch sole, it looks like. But at least the hand stitch to the welt looks like it is hand. So you get the 1 row of Norwegian and then the stitch to the welt and then the welt. Toe plates, which are nailed instead of screwed. It's very interesting. Not quite flush. Also interesting, although I can grab a hammer and fix that. The typical Paolo Scafora sole, which is always very, very exciting. This actually looks deeper than usual, if you can believe that. Just gorgeous. And the waist, the heel, the patina, everything about this just screams high end. It's very, very well done. The leather itself feels wonderful. And you can also see, if you look here, that there's a very slight asymmetry to it, where this is a little bit lighter than it is there, but not much. Okay? Not like Saint Crispins, not like Meccariello, or the other high-end brands, but still very, very nice. So again, just looking at the 270-degree Norwegian welt. Not welt, but Norvegese stitch. Okay. And there is a stitch attached to the welt that attaches to the sole, but it's not a welt up here in the traditional sense. And actually, I don't even know if there is. It looks like the leather is actually sewn to the sole. So, not sure how that works. Something I should read my Laszlo Vest book. Maybe learn a little bit more about it. So, again, need to nail in these a little bit more. But very nice, nonetheless. Yeah, gimping is very, very fine. You know, one of the things that you'll see in a shoe, these are, you know, $1,300, $1,400, I guess, is that you'll see that, you know, all of the brogue holes, the spacing, everything like that is actually perfect on these, as you'd expect it to be in a high-end shoe, even around the curve here. That is part of, you know, what you pay for when you get the higher end shoes, is that they take the time to really manage those details. Now, I'll take a deeper look at this over time and make sure that it really does fit all of those details. But for now, at first glance, it all looks very, very nice. You know, it does have a seam here, so they didn't do like some of the advanced clicking like you see on a G&G, but nevertheless, very, very good looking pair of shoes. Nice pair of Adelaides and a great addition to my collection. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.